Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Destiny 2 Renegades Gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After restarting, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, then here you have to select enable Steam input and then launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then try to check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, come back, use default settings and then move to the next solution. Next is to update your controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for device manager. After that, go below, expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the controller drivers update if there is any, and after updating it, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. Now after updating the game, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. So simply you go to Steam and here you will see if any update is available. Update your game to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Here you will go to Windows update page, click on check for updates option and this will check if there is any update available for your Windows. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to use big picture mode. So Steam users, go to Steam. Here you can see big picture mode option. Click on it. Now once you enter to the big picture mode, you have to select your game. Now after selecting the game, try to play it. If it's playing or it's opening, well and good. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on power, then select exit big picture mode. Now once done, again check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Now here you will find your controller will be added. So to remove it, click on 3 dot icon, then click on remove device. Once done, restart your PC. After that, again click on settings, Bluetooth and devices. Now click on add device and here click on everything else and here you have to add your controller, and once done, now check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So what you need to do is simply either search for DS4 Windows tool in Google or open the link that I have already provided in the description and download and install it. So now once the website opens, click on download option. This will take you to the next page. From here you have to select the DS4 Windows tool and click on it to download. Now after it is downloaded, you have to install it and then connect your controller and update it. Now once done, launch the game and then check if the error is resolved or not. So through this method, you can easily fix Destiny 2 Renegades gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.